Alright, stop the running. Hey, stop the running. Stop. Look at those two. Huh?
Never mind.
Oh, what's them in the tree? Look. Look, Sav, that's Shamaya. You see Shamaya?
Sav, that's not me.
You see? Look.
That's not, he doesn't look more like Sav.
Where's that Shamaya?
I want to fly free to the high sky, around the world with you every single day. I hope you come and
Your hair.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. But first, I want to say blessings up and blessings to all the viewers and subscribers. Now today, guys, we are heading out to the Monkey Forest, me and the crew, Helly, Sham, Sav and Baby Hez. And this isn't just a trip, it's a family jungle vibes and probably with a few surprises. So let's go. Tell them say we're here. You guys, we arrived at the Monkey Forest. This is where we are. Yeah. Mommy. You don't want that. Wait. Can you get in the pushchair? Can you get in there? Yeah. Savannah. You like taking off your shoes, eh?
He was making
What?
Hez with the feet. Yeah. People will feel what I say.
Before entry, listen carefully to our safety rules. But above all,
We're gonna go see monkeys.
do not touch or feed monkeys. Breaking this rule is dangerous. Anyone trying to touch or feed monkeys will need to leave the park immediately. Keep a 2 meter safety distance, stick to the paths, stand still for any monkeys that choose to cross. Children must be strictly supervised by adults. Please, no running or shouting. Remember, you are walking amongst wild primates. No eating. This includes chewing gum and sweets. And please, no smoking or vaping. Monkey feeding talks are reported to pass every hour by our expert guides. Remember, respect our guides and listen carefully to their instructions. Follow the safety rules for a great visit. Thank you for listening.
Yo, this look nice, you know. Man, look at that. Look at that video. Guys, we are here to see Shamaya relatives. Relatives from your English people side, not by Jamaica, but no, from your side.
From your side.
It's from the English member side. Yes.
We'll see. Excuse me. Would that second evening when all those people get in? Yeah.
Yeah, but you cannot touch them. If them coming across, you got to stay still. Look at those two.
Oh.
Huh?
Never mind, I don't do that. Stay still.
Monkey. You see Monkey Hez? Can you see them?
Oh. Sam, you like the monkeys? Man, you like the monkeys?
baby.
Oh, look at that little monkey.
Shama, you're going to have a selfie with your relatives.
You go first, I'll go after.
What's up, Pops? What's up?
It's tired.
Up, 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 up. Come, 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 come on, Ez. Come, 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 come. No, look, monkey, monkey. 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 Savannah, stop it. Now sit down. Hey, hey, sit down.
Smile. Say cheese to Daddy. Cheese.
Cut that one for me.
You're not going, you can't. Go. They're coming. That could be anything like that. Look, they're eating. What are they eating? Get on the little one. He says, oh, I'm going to look at that box and see.
Well, what's wonderful about living here is the monkeys are free to eat what they find throughout the vegetation. This includes grass, leaves, invertebrates and berries, and when they're available, they enjoy eating neighbours in the breeze. So the climate is similar to here. They have a number of adaptations to this climate. In winter, they have a long, thick coat to protect them from cold temperatures, and in spring, they molt and grow a short summer coat to cope with the hot temperatures. Our monkeys at the moment do still have their thick winter coats. We'll be able to see our monkeys behaving as they would in the wild. Since 2005, we've hosted students and private researchers who've helped us better understand this fascinating species and aid in their conservation. Sometimes in the first days of their lives, which is quite rare in primates. Even more surprising is males often carry babies with supplies to fear. Their position in the hierarchy isn't necessarily determined by size or strength. An adult male chooses rank by making alliances with other males to support him against his rivals. However, in females, their rank is
Sav, wait, wait. Sav, come. Come back here. Come.
Where do you think you're going?
Hey, stop the running. Hey, stop the running. Stop. Stop the running. Walk. There's water. 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 Look. Water. Yeah. Water. 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 Yeah, water. Water. It's now running. Stop the running.
Slowly. Come sit down.
Up. Ez, what is it? Look, Sham. Yes, look, Sham, that's Shamaya. Is it Shamaya?
That's not me.
Sham, look.
That's not. Who does it look more like, Sam?
Where's that Shamaya?
Sam, who does it look more like?
Is
Don't look more like me.
Shamaya?
Go.
Stop. Stop making. Minute 3, look. There's 4 of them up there.
4?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Savannah. No, it's not funny.
Look over here. Where you going? You know where you're going? Pops. Yo.
Do not touch or feed the monkeys. Breaking this rule is dangerous. Anyone trying to touch or feed monkeys will need to leave the park immediately. Stick to the path. Stand still for any monkeys that choose to cross. Children,
Go on, you two little monkeys. Go on. Come, we're going this way. Come.
remember,
This way. Come.
while
Come.
climbing. Stick to the path. Stand still for any monkeys. Children, strictly supervised by adults. Please,
Come. Yeah, give your sister trouble. Come on.
Yes, trying to get back inside.
no eating. This includes chewing in the streets. Please, no smoking or vaping.
Run. Yeah, you made it to the top. You made it to the top. Yo, how far are you going? Come this way, come on. Pops, Ez, come this way, come. Come on, run. Come. Down. You're going down. 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 No, it's not up down, it's down. 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 Down.